artificial intelligence,
AI.
OpenAI.
AI.
AI. ChatGPT.
AI.
AI is everywhere, from your playlist to your watch, and it can even drive your car. But when it comes to crypto, most explanations are either way too technical or they're so basic they'll leave you wondering what the hype's even about. And in this video, I'm breaking down 10 mind-blowing cases that'll show you exactly how this revolution can supercharge your portfolio and maybe even your life. If you've ever wondered, does AI actually make crypto better? You're in the right place. My name is Ray, and this is the Cash Lab. And if you're new here, welcome home. I've been in crypto since the 2017 bull run, and on this channel we explore smart ways to turn tech trends into real profits. In order to appreciate what's happening in crypto right now, we need to understand where AI started and how it's evolved. So here's a quick look at the 3 stages in the evolution of AI that are shaping the entire Web3 space. Level 1 you've probably heard of before, and it's large language models, or LLMs. This is the most common kind of AI, like ChatGPT, Claude, and Facebook's Llama. It's like the brain. You ask it something, the input, and it gives you an answer, the output. In crypto, this type of AI is helping analyze large amounts of data to do everything from simplifying complex concepts to making how-to guides on using decentralized exchanges, starting wallets, and bridging. Think of it like a really smart mentor for learning blockchain apps. But there's a catch. It can only pull from the data it was trained on, and that data has a cutoff date. ChatGPT's most recent cutoff date is June of 2024. There's also a bit of work involved and a large monthly expense if you want to pull info from posts and social platforms like X, which is where most of the action in the crypto space happens. Level 2 is smart AI workflows. Now imagine connecting that brain to other tools so it can do tasks automatically like an AI assistant. A great Web 2 example of this is having AI answer your business emails and schedule events on your calendar. To do this, you need to set up this workflow by connecting it to your Google account and inputting the instructions it will need to complete the task. An example of this type of AI workflow in crypto can be using your LLM to get real-time price data from an API like Pyth Network, and then using Uniswap to execute a buy or sell order for you when a price you set on a particular token is met, without you having to watch the charts all day. You can also create a sentiment-powered workflow where the AI scrapes Twitter, Reddit, and news for keywords and sentiment. If the sentiment shifts rapidly for a token, let's take Solana for example, the bot triggers a buy or a sell order. But here's the catch. They can't think on their own. There's no reasoning, no decision-making beyond what you tell them. They're powerful, but only as smart as the connections and input that you give them. And level 3, we've got autonomous AI agents. You've heard the hype. These are more than just tools that follow instructions. They actually learn, adapt, and make decisions to better complete the task they were built for. Think of it like hiring a digital intern who trains itself, figures out how to improve, and runs 24/7 without ever asking for a break. In crypto, these agents can manage your portfolio, execute DeFi strategies, snipe NFT mints, or even operate entire microeconomies all on their own. They don't just follow steps, they think through the best steps to take. Now that we've walked through how AI is evolving in the crypto world, it's time to see this evolution in action. So let's dive into 10 of the most insane, the most game-changing AI use cases in crypto that are already reshaping how we trade, play, and profit. Number 1, we've got AI-powered trading bots. And no company's doing it better than Numerai. It's a hedge fund powered by thousands of anonymous data scientists who compete to build the best AI trading models. They train these models on encrypted financial data, and they get incentivized with the NMR token if their model performs well. I think this is a great concept. Every contributor adds brain power, and the collective intelligence drives the unique approach to financial modeling. It's definitely the first of its kind in the crypto space, which is why I wanted to bring it to your attention. Number 2, we've got decentralized AI marketplaces, and Singularity.net is the leader in this space. Right now, AI is locked behind the walls of mega corporations, but Singularity.net is blowing those gates wide open. It's a decentralized marketplace where anybody can upload, buy, and sell AI services. Think of it like the Amazon for AI products. products. They have everything from voice synthesis to image recognition, and all of it runs on a blockchain using its AGIX tokens. Imagine an app store for AI. It's peer-to-peer, censorship resistant, and totally borderless. Developers get paid fairly, and users get access to powerful AI tools without the middlemen. Number 3, we've got data monetization for AI, and Ocean Protocol is making some big waves. Your data is valuable, and big tech knows that. That's why we see so many lawsuits against corporations for selling and leaking our personal data. But what if you got paid every time AI used your info? Ocean Protocol is making that a reality. It lets you tokenize your data and sell it while ensuring your privacy. AI developers can buy your data to improve their models, and you earn each time it's used. Your browsing habits, your fitness data, even your shopping history can become your own digital asset. Ocean is turning personal data into crypto capital. And for the first time in history, they're cutting us in on the profits. Any developer will tell you that number 4 is a big one. AI-enhanced smart contracts. And there's a project named Cortex that are making some big advancements in this sector. Yes, the invention of smart contracts are very cool, but let's be honest, they're not that smart. They execute code, but can't think, learn, or adapt. That changes with Cortex. It allows AI models to run directly on-chain, giving contracts the ability to analyze data, detect anomalies, or adjust conditions in real time. Think of a DeFi loan that adjusts your interest rate based on your on-chain behavior, or a fraud detector built into the contract itself. Cortex turns code into a thinking, reasoning tool, giving blockchain the power to reason, not just react. This shift opens the floodgates for developers to build dynamic on-chain experiences like we've never seen before. Number 5 is AI for identity verification. And Worldcoin was co-founded by the creator of a little project you may have heard before, ChatGPT. Web3 has a massive problem. Bots, fake users, scams, Sybil attacks are everywhere. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. In fact, this was one of Gary Gensler's go-to excuses in his full-blown war on crypto. When regulators want to shut things down, they point to the chaos. And honestly, they've got the ammo. That's where Worldcoin steps in. Using biometric scanning and AI, it verifies that each person is real. Without collecting personal data, you scan your iris, get a unique cryptographic ID, and boom, proof of personhood. It's like a passport for decentralized web, but it doesn't belong to any government or platform. And verified users get access to fair drops, DAO votes, and decentralized apps without spam. But like any powerful new tech, it hasn't come without its controversy. Worldcoin's approach has sparked intense debate, especially among hardcore Web3 purists who believe crypto should be 100% anonymous, no exceptions. To them, identity verification, even without personal data, feels like a slippery slope. And number 6, we've got autonomous AI agents. And while there are a lot of different types of AI agents out there, I wanted to cover Griffain, which is in an emerging sector called DeFi. What if you could clone yourself to handle blockchain tasks 24/7? That's basically Griffain in a nutshell. Griffain features an AI agent marketplace where users can monetize their custom agents or utilize agents developed by others. This marketplace fosters a collaborative environment, allowing for a diverse range of AI solution tailored to various DeFi needs. Each agent is soul-bound to an NFT and takes commands in plain language, similar to ChatGPT's user face. You don't need to write any code, just tell it what to do. It's your own personal crypto assistant. At number 7, I wanted to cover a project called Arkham Intelligence, which does AI in fraud detection and wallet analysis. Blockchains are transparent, but not exactly readable. You can see the data, but making sense of it, that's tough. Arkham uses AI to connect the dots. It analyzes wallet activity, uncovers suspicious behavior, and even links wallets to real-world identities. It's kind of like a forensic investigator built for the blockchain, scanning millions of transactions to surface fraud, track hackers, or expose shady behavior. Let's be honest, crypto is like the Wild West, and Arkham is the new sheriff in town. So far, we've seen how AI is optimizing portfolios, streamlining DeFi, and even sniffing out fraud. But what happens when you drop AI into the gaming world? A little project called Illuvium is breaking barriers. A lot of people thought that gaming peaked with the development of better graphics, and then Illuvium said, hold my joystick. The AI in this project learns your patterns and adapts to throw smarter punches every time you play. It's like fighting a boss that levels up with you, non-stop. And if that wasn't enough, the AI also runs the economy behind the scenes. That's right, AI is in charge of the loot, the market prices, and rewards. All in real time. No more overpowered items breaking the game. Just pure, intelligent chaos. Welcome to the future of gaming. Not all AI use cases are flashy. Some are quietly solving billion-dollar problems behind the scenes, like solving issues with supply chains. And no one's doing it quite like IOTA. Supply chains are the backbone of global commerce, yet they're increasingly vulnerable to disruption, from geopolitical tensions and labor strikes to extreme weather events and cyber attacks. These challenges have exposed the fragility of our interconnected systems and cost some companies billions in losses. How about knockoff Louis Vuitton bag or Christian Louboutin shoes? The list goes on. IOTA uses a feeless blockchain and AI to analyze large amounts of data in an attempt to stop this. Every step in a product's journey, from factory to shelf, can be tracked and verified. And if issues arise, the AI flags any anomalies in real time, ensuring there are no breaks in the product's journey across the world and the product's authenticity. It's especially used for industries like luxury goods, pharmaceuticals, and food, where trust is everything. And you know I had to save the best for last. Number 10, we've got an AI-powered Web3 command center called Anon. It's a project that's combining AI with DeFi to create something brand new called DeFi, and it's one of my favorite emerging sectors in crypto. DeFi is powerful and it can be insanely profitable, but it has a steep learning curve and can be overwhelming for beginners in the space. Swapping tokens, bridging across chains, managing multi-sig wallets, it's basically a full-time job, or at least it was. That was before a developer named Daniel developed Anon. Think of it like ChatGPT, but for DeFi. It uses AI agents that understand plain English and execute complex on-chain commands for you. Want to bridge Ethereum from Arbitrum, swap it for USDC, and then send it to a Solana wallet? Just type it in. The AI figures out the fastest route, handles approvals, and even troubleshoots if something fails along the way. It's like hiring a personal assistant with a master's degree in blockchain, who never sleeps and never makes a typo. And what I've just mentioned is just scratching the surface of what this project can do. Anon's toolkit is loaded. If you want the full breakdown, check the link in the description. We did a deep dive when it launched. Anyone who tells you that our jobs are being stolen by AI are just people who are afraid to learn something new. Here's the truth. We're standing at the edge of a new digital era where AI and crypto don't just coexist, they supercharge each other. And those who understand this intersection now, they're going to be light years ahead. If you learned something new today, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed if you like finding ways to turn tech trends into cash. And let me know in the comments which AI projects you're most excited about. And if you'd like to see our top list of DeFi agent projects, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.